There's a big misconception out there about bookkeepers that they're only useful for categorizing your transactions, data entry, and getting your stuff compliant for tax season. However, if you come across the right bookkeeper that's actually passionate about what they do, most of them will offer a business advisory service. This means going into detail about your reports and helping you understand your finances. So I'm going to give you an example of how I did that with one of my clients. So we're going to determine the average income that my client made in the year of 2022 to 2023. So we're going to look at the reports, we're going to go to the profit and loss, and then we're going to put it from March 2022 to March 2023. That way we get a good idea from that period to this period in time that they wanted to know about. Then we're going to display columns by month, and we'll run that report. And then once we run that report, we'll be able to see all of the revenue, cost of goods sold, and so on and so forth. So you can see that, and the total there is $874,000. So I take that number and I divide it by 12 because there's 12 months, and then I would get an average of $72,000 a month. And then I do the same exact thing for the average cost of goods sold. I take the number $633,000, divide by 12, and that gives me about $50,000. And then I take the actual fixed cost, so I go through the whole profit and loss for the year, and I see what kind of costs there are for insurance, accounting, fixed things that you're reliably going to be paying for the month. And I did the same thing for variable costs such as meals and entertainment and so on and so forth. Then I subtracted that from the average revenue and got the net income.